Hindu Republic of India YouTube channel episode 21 Benefits of Conversion to Hinduism. Hello everybody, this is Rajendran Kulwal from Hindu Republic of India. Today I am talking about benefits of conversion to Hinduism. Please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Click the bell icon for notification. Hinduism consists of lessons to live more gracefully than peacefully. Lessons to help people to be happy are also the core points. In this modern world, every individual needs freedom. In addition to freedom of speech, no religion must dictate terms on individual. The rule or order should not be cognizable if the duty is not performed by an individual, unless the law is refused to obey by an individual. Every modern society, civil society or the government has rules and regulations that an individual need to follow. When modern laws are encoded for peaceful, prosperous or better living, every individual is supposed to listen to that laws, which is what Hinduism suggests. In other words, Hinduism promotes common law that allows every individual to enjoy freedom along with it, and it promotes non-violence and prosperity to all human beings. Protecting environment or mother planet and all living beings must be the way of life. However, in Hinduism, certain concessions are given to humans while taking care of the planet and her subjects. That said, you are eligible to cut your trees when it is old. You can hunt and kill forest animals and some domesticated animals only as and when you need them as food or medicine. Discretion must be given, but for failure to carry out your discretion is considered a sin. Punishments are super soul's choice, which Hindus only believe. In modern days, punishments are given by the government, which is the need of the hour, and Hinduism supports that order. So, conversion to Hinduism brings no anarchy, no chaos, no poverty. Instead, it brings prosperity and happiness. Let us all give Hinduism the leadership to live in a chaotic world. Hope you have enjoyed listening to my good information. Please subscribe and please give a thumbs up. Also, press the bell icon for notifications. Please be kind enough to all. Please be happy with all. Thank you for watching my program. Jai Hind, Jai Hindu, Peaceful Republic of India.